This is the Mitel 485G IP phone. This model is identical to the ShoreTel 485G but has been rebranded under Mitel. This model features a large backlit color display with a built-in visual voicemail. The expanded features of this phone make it the ideal phone for advanced professionals. The BB424 button box is also available to expand its capabilities for attendants. The Mitel 480G requires a minimum software version of ShoreTel 14.2. Included with this phone is the phone base, handset cord, and line cord. When purchasing from Atlas Phones, you'll receive free shipping on orders of $500 or more and only $9.95 shipping for all other orders. We also include our Atlas 1-year warranty with all other phone purchases. You can check us out today at www.atlasphones.com.